Hello friends, and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Jen and I do clothing unboxing videos, whether it's subscription services or shopping hauls. And the subscription services may be well-known ones like Stitch Fix, all the way down to ones that maybe nobody's ever heard of. So if that sounds interesting to you, I would love it if you would subscribe below so you can see all my future videos that I have planned coming up. Today I am doing a Fashom unboxing video. If you are not familiar with what Fashom is, they are a styling service. They are not a subscription service, so you just request a box when you want one. They have an app that you can download to make all your box requests. They also have kind of a social media type site where you can post pictures daily and things like that. And now apparently they have a website, so you no longer have to download the app in order to order a Fashom box, which that is exciting. If you use my referral code below, you get $10 off of your first box. You should probably do that because I think Fashom deserves a try. Now with Fashom, you have no styling fee for your first 3 boxes, and so this is my 3rd box. This is my last one without styling fee, and then going forward I will have to pay $15 styling fee for each box. The way you request a box is you basically say, okay, I'm ready for a box. You can pick out a stylist or just choose kind of a random New York stylist. And then you can even put in special requests, which I usually have a list of like, here's everything I'm looking for. And then within, it's supposed to be about 2 to 3 days, frequently it takes a little bit longer than that, they give you the options for you to pick out what you want to have shipped to your house. You're supposed to choose between 5 and 7 items to have shipped to your home. And then you, again, same as most of the other subscription services, you try on what you want from your home. You only keep what you want to keep, and they only charge you for what you decide to keep, and then you ship back the remaining items in a bag. Now the nice thing with Fashom, and this is probably like one of my favorite things, is you get 25% off if you buy 3 or more items. I never make it to the 5 items in any of the other boxes. I just don't buy that much from each box. So it's nice because this is one that actually I'm able to get that discount usually, because I usually do find 3 things that I like. So I really like that. And frequently their items are a little bit more affordable than some of the other boxes. So I really enjoy Fashom. Again, if you want to try it, please use my referral link below. Okay, I think I've gone through the explanation of what it is, and let's go ahead and dig in. Now, first of all, I was really surprised at how small this box is, though it is a bit heavy. I know I've got a few pairs of pants in here and some tops, and so I was surprised it all fit in here. So good job to whoever packed this. Okay, let's dig in here. Alright, we have the bag to send your items back. For me, it is through USPS, which I enjoy because I just stick it out in my mailbox. So easy. They have this Hello Beautiful envelope. This is relatively new. Now Fashom is a newer company, and so they've been evolving a lot. So I will read the note and prices at the end, but I am excited to try it. In here they basically have the price sheet and how, what to do next, how to return things, all that jazz. Okay, and then here we can't really see much. Here's my bundle. I don't know if you can see that. Some colors, some denim, some cute stuff. Okay, let's dig in. Okay, first off, we have this gray peplum top. It's just a cute, soft tank, and I like it. I think it's cute. It's got this ruffles at the bottom, and it is by Carbon Mark Valvo. So, okay, great. Next up, we have a pair of navy dress pants. These are skinny dress pants, or I guess they look more like a straight leg dress pants. They are thick. These are thick. According to the tag, they have lift and tuck technology. That sounds awesome. And the tag here says $114, but I know that's not at all what they had sent me as the price. Oh, NYDJ, not your daughter's jeans? Okay, so that's exciting. I mean, this is a good brand, I believe. And I'm really excited to try these. I really hope these fit. Next up, we have, this is by Tari, and this is a pair of black dress pants. Again, kind of a skinny leg. These are a pull-on, so there is no button closure. The pockets in front are fake, but the pockets in the back are real. So, okay, hopefully that will fit. Again, a nice thick material. And then we have this white lace top, which I just thought was super cute. It's got lace in the front and lace flowers around the neckline and the sleeves, and then in the back it's just a plain white t-shirt. It's by Adiva, and I really like it. I think I'm looking for more whitish tops, as I have gotten some more interesting type bottoms or pattern bottoms that the white tops obviously go really well with everything. And I could only wear this top that I'm wearing so many times, so hopefully this works out. Then we have a pair of distressed jeans. I call them, they're high waist, super skinny jeans by Miss Selfridge. I don't know. They're the Lizzie pant, looks like, and they look super, super skinny. They're very lightly distressed. We just have like 2 spots here and just some wear and tear on the pockets up here. They look tiny, but they do have stretch to them. Okay, next up we just have this tie, I don't want to call it tie sleeve, but I don't know what to call this. Just this tank here, cute tank, I like it. And this is by Tari. And then we have a cold shoulder top. I always request no cold shoulders because I'm just not a cold shoulder fan, but I decided to go ahead and send this to myself, or have them ship this to me, because it's different, and you know, I thought, why not try it? So I like the material and the color, though it's different than anything I have. So yeah. All right, let's go ahead and try this all on. Okay, first off, we have the white crochet top and the navy dress pants. Now, the navy dress pants are more of a straight leg, but they are a little bit longer, so they're perfect to wear with heels. So I think they fit great. They fit really well. They're super comfortable, super comfortable. So I think these are a really great dress pant, and these are ones that I could wear in the winter with some boots. With some boots underneath them, with a heeled boot. So I really like these. So hopefully these aren't too expensive. The crochet top, I like it. I can't say I'm just super excited about it, but I like it. I think it's a nice shirt. So, and then there in the back is just kind of a white tee in the back. So I like both of these. So let's go ahead and try the next outfit. Next up, we have the gray peplum top and the black skinny dress pants. The gray top is cute and comfortable, but again, I just can't say that I get super excited about it. It's just like, it's fine. And then the dress pants, these are a definite no. So 2 things. One, there's actually a weird amount of fabric that kind of sticks out right in the crotch area. I don't know if you could see that, but there's a lot of that happening. And then they are a skinny length requested, but the skinnies only work if they're like an ankle length, and these are just way too long. So it's just, these pants are not going to work. So the shirt is okay. I might keep, if it gets me to the 3x3 get the 25% off discount, but the pants are definitely, I'm not going to keep these. Okay, next outfit. Okay, next up we have this tie top tank and the distressed skinny jeans. So the tank is not my favorite. It's just, it's a bit boxy and wide, and I'm just, yeah, I'm okay with it. It's just fine. I just don't love it. The skinny jeans are small, so it was a bit of a battle to get in them, and I can't really move. So, but they're cute. I like the distressing on it. It's very subtle distressing. They're stretchy, they're soft. I'm pretty sure they had a decent price tag on them. So I may see if I can size up, because it was quite a battle to get into these. But, and I don't know, I don't know if these are the most flattering on me. They may give me pancake butt a little bit, but that might be because they're too small. I don't know. If you guys can let me know what you think about these, that would be super helpful. So, but most likely if I do want to keep these, I am going to see if I can size up in them, because putting your jeans on should not take acrobatics. Okay, I think I have just one top left, so let's go ahead and try that on. Okay, here is my last top, and I do not like it. As expected, I don't like the feel of a cold shoulder. It just feels drapey and loose, and let's see, I'm supposed to, I don't know, I just don't love it. Plus, I kept my bra on because I'm lazy, and you couldn't wear a regular bra with this because of the straps up here, so that's not my favorite either. So this is not a keeper, but that's okay. All right, let's go over prices. Okay, so the note from my stylist is, she says, "Hello Jennifer, thank you for styling with Fashom again. For this styling session, I selected 2 outfits that consist of 9 items. In the first outfit, I selected 3 tops that are suitable for summer and the distressed pants that you requested. In the second outfit, I included 2 pairs of work pants. The black one is ankle length and the navy one is petite size. Hope you like it." All right, so let's go over the prices. So I believe the navy dress pants, these are called the petite pant trousers, and these are $60. Again, these are the ones that say that they're $114, and so I might, you know, the $60 is probably a really amazing deal. Plus, if I get 25% off, that makes them $45. So that'd be cool. So really love these. I think I'm going to end up keeping these because I need more dress pants that I can wear with heels for the winter. So that these are going to be great. Next up, we have the Carmen Mark Valvo pleated peplum crew neck top, and this is $28. I might get this if this is what I need to get to the 25% off. I'm just, it's fine. Next up, we have the Aryan pants. These are $48, and these were just too baggy in the crotch area and too long for being a skinny jean. So these are not going to work. And then we have what I'm wearing here, the high-rise distressed skinny jeans. They are $46. I think I may see if I can size up in these, so we shall see. Then we have the Adiva crochet top. This is $30. That's a pretty good price, plus hopefully a 25% off of that would get me down to, like, I think, what, 24 or something. So that's, this probably will be a keeper for me. Then we had the sleeveless tie tank, and this is $30. I'm not gonna keep because it was just boxy and ugh. And then this floral cold shoulder top, which is also $30, I'm not going to keep because it's just not my style. The 3 items that I think I will keep to get to the 25% off discount is the navy pants, the distressed skinny jeans, and the crochet top. That will get me my 25% off. So, yay! Now, just one more thing, the next page here was basically their what's next sheet. So they say try everything on the comfort home, buy what you like and send back the rest, use their prepaid mailer to return the items you don't want. If you need an exchange, you just email them, so I will be emailing them about these jeans. And then they want us to leave specific feedback for our stylist. So, all right, I will say that is a successful box. I'm excited about my new dress pants, my new jeans, the white top that I'll be able to pair with some of my patterned bottoms or colored bottoms. So it's a successful box. Again, if you are interested in trying it, there you can use my referral link below to get $10 off of your first box. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see my future unboxing videos, then please subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I post. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one. Okay, thanks. Bye.